Hello students, today we are going to discuss the lesson arithmetic progression, that is AP. So before going for further explanation, let me introduce some part. As we know in nature, we observe many things that follow a certain pattern, that is make a sequence, and in some sequence or some patterns we find that the succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number, or they are the squares of consecutive numbers and so on. And in this chapter we will discuss one of these patterns in which succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. We will also discuss to find the nth term and the sum of n consecutive terms and use this knowledge in solving daily life problems. So let's discuss about arithmetic progression and its nth term. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number to the preceding term except the first one, as I have already explained you. And this fixed number is known as the common difference D of the AP, of the given AP or required AP. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be zero also. In other words, a number list of a number A1, A2, A3 up to AN. It's called an arithmetic progression, AP, if there exists a constant number D called common difference. Okay, now let's check the method to form nth term. So here I am going to discuss with you some types of problems based on nth term of an AP. Problems based on finding nth term when the sequence as an A and AP is given. Problems based on finding nth term when sequence of an AP is given. So the question is, find the 20th term of the sequence. Find the 20th term of the sequence 7, 3, -1, -5 and so on. This is the given sequence and we need to find the 20th term of the sequence. So students, here I want to discuss with you a general formula to find nth term as AN. AN stands for nth term. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Now what is this A? A is the first term. What is this A? A is the first term. N, it stands for number of terms. D is the common difference. I will repeat again. A is the first term, N number of terms, and D is the common difference. Now let's discuss the question based on this formula. In this question, for solution first we will write the given sequence terms. Means the first term we can write, as we know the first term is 7, and the common difference we will find. Common difference is always have to be find by doing subtraction from second term minus first term. And the second term I can see here, A2 minus A1. A1 is A, A2 minus A1. Second term is 3. First term is -7. And therefore the common difference we can find here, D is equal to -4. This is the common difference. Now how to find nth term? We will write its formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Let's substitute all the values as the required thing was. What is the required? Here in that question, the required thing is 20th term, right? So I am going to write here A20 is required. A20 is required means 20th term we need to find. As the 20th term is required, we will write here value of n is 20. Value of n is 20. N means what? N means number of term. N means number of term. So here we need to find 20th term, means here we have taken n's value is 20. And these all values A, D and N. These all values we are going to substitute in the given formula. So here I am going to write AN, that is A20 is equal to A's value we know, that is 7, plus n minus 1 means n is 20, 20 minus 1, and common difference is minus 4. Now let's solve these calculations further. As I can see here, this is 820, we need to find it, 7 as it is. 20 minus 1 is 19 and this is minus 4. So here we need to do multiplication of 19 and minus 4. 19 fours are 76. So in the next step I am going to write 7 plus 19 minus 4. 19 fours are 76, but it will be minus because we are multiplying the terms with the different signs. So it will be minus. And 7 minus 76, you will get minus 69. Minus 69, which is the required term, that is the 20th. So in the next part, you will mention the 820 is equal to minus 69. This is the method to find nth term, and n is required. This is the method to find nth term when the sequence of AP is given. So from the given sequence, we have mentioned here all the values. The first term, we have found common difference here, and we have also written n's value as 820 was required. So we have written here n's value as 20. So this is the method, basic method to find nth term or to solve the problems based on finding nth term when sequence of an AP is given. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.